Welcome to Hmong America. Hi, this is Amanda.
Hi, this is Vati.
And this is Grace. Happy Thanksgiving for today. It feels to me like it's very short. I just want you to think that what are you thankful for? For me, I cherish and I just want to say I'm thankful for everything. I know that through this whole year there were some obstacles and we used to have like a full schedule for loan signing agents. That's what Button and I were both working the past 3 years, and since this year, I would say this year, slightly towards last year to this year, it was getting slow and it's more towards like a mobile notary. But I'm thankful that I have been working with this title company, and I was just so worried that we were going to have, for instance, lack of funds, financial, but somehow I'm thankful for God for everything that He has given to us and provide everything. And I know that I do get worried a lot, but I just want to say thankful that, my family is healthy. Our daughter Grace, we have other kids too, but they're all grown up. I said a 16-year-old. He's with my parents, but I just want to say that thankful for everything. Thankful for God that He has given me air to breathe or breath to breathe. And I'm just thankful that we didn't have any COVIDs of this year of 2022. And I'm just so proud that even though we're living paycheck to paycheck, we still haven't died of hunger. So I really appreciate for everything and for the support for my husband, and also I'm doing my best to support my husband too, and Grace is doing a fabulous job. And I just want you guys to think of something what you're thankful for, even those small little miracle counts, and just don't feel negative. Stay positive, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow us, click the notification bell, and just follow our adventures, what we do as a Hmong American.
Well, I'm thanking for still alive. All this time with the COVID-19 has been hit Earth so hard that not many people survive, but we do survive, so I thank God for that, and I appreciate all the help and support from friends, relatives and families. Just want to say thank you.
And again, we wish you your best holiday today for Thanksgiving. Enjoy with your families with every moment and be thankful. Remember, not just because of Thanksgiving today, but be thankful every day. And I want to say God bless you and have a great, happy Thanksgiving.